Hello everyone, this is our next video of Fortinet NSE4 series. And before starting this video, I wish you very happy new year to all. And let's begin this video. So in this video, I will perform a lab on the interface features, or also known as the administrative access. Also, I will explain you the what are the role of that particular features. So we will understand with that all features available on the interface level. So let's begin. This will be the speed test, HTTP, HTTPS, ping, access, and so on and so forth. So let me quickly log into my Fortinet and I will just show that how looks like this interface access. So let's go to the dashboard. So this is the Fortinet looks like. And after that, I will go on the interfaces. I will try to click one interface or else I will try to find out the port one. So we can see these are the administrative access. So which we need to enable on the interface in order to allow a particular protocols on the interface level. Let's say I want to enable a ping on the particular interface on the port 1. So we need to enable the ping service on the internet, this interface. If we have disabled the ping, that no one will ping this interface. Let's quickly, I can show you what I'm talking about. Let's say if I show CMD, and you can see that in my interface port 1, I have assigned the IP address of 0.45 245. If I ping 192.168.0.245, I can ping. Now I will disable this and OK. So there is a pop-up that you are connected to this interface only, and that's okay because we are not changing anything. We just disable the ping. And now if I try to ping, I will not able to ping it. See, I'm not getting the response. So that feature is enabled on the interface level. So this is the one thing. Even I'm able to access this FortiGate firewall using the private IP, the 0.245, because I have enabled the access on the HTTPS and HTTP. So this is the non-secure, means that I'm connecting via this HTTP. If I disable this HTTP, I will not able to connect on this FortiGate firewall. So first one is the speed test that is used in the case of SD-WAN scenarios. It is used to take the speed test connections on the SD-WAN connections. This is the HTTPS. So it means that if you want to enable the access of this FortiGate using the secure protocol, that HTTPS, then you can select this HTTPS. If you want to enable that this FortiGate access in the non-secured protocol like HTTP port number 80, you need to select this ping I just show you. And this FMG access, it is used for the Forti manager connections. So what is Forti manager? So basically, let's say you have 100 FortiGate firewalls and so on. So you want to manage those FortiGate on a central device. That in that case you need a Forti manager. So using the Forti manager, we can manage all 100 or lots of FortiGate firewalls. So to provide that connectivity, you need to enable that this FMG access. It is for the FortiGate Forti manager connections. And SSH, it is as name suggests. So it is used to take the SSH corrections. Let me show you this thing also. If I try to perform a SSH on this FortiGate, so I will getting the prompt. See, I am able to log in because I have enabled the SSH access. If I disable the SSH access, then I will not able to take this connection. And this is the SNMP. So SNMP is used for the SNMP connections. So let's say if you in any environment we have that SNMP manager like SolarWind or PRTG kind of that who works on the SNMP traps, SNMP pooling. So in that case, we need to enable this SNMP protocol on the interfaces. Then only that server will able to communicate using SNMP protocol in the particular applied interface. So this is required um, for the SNMP connections. And this is the FTM. FTM is that forti token. So if you want to enable that mobile push messages FTM token, then you need to enable this interface, this protocol, this service on the interface. Another one will be the radius accounting. So this interface will allow the accounting, radius accounting on the interface level. So radius is the basically protocol that used for the that managing the access, yeah, I would say, and the controlling the access. So if that protocol is needed on the environment, then on that case we need to enable the radius accounting. And the last one is for the security fabric connections. So in the security fabric connection, this is enabled for the telemetry cap web access. So this will be the telemetry connections and security fabric connections. Even we can enable this by that Forti analyzer also, and Forti analyzer and any other security fabric connections. Then on that case, we need to enable these connections. So that was the related to the administrative access that we can enable it based on our requirements. Second thing, we can check this thing on the interface level. So config system interface, that is the command and edit port 1. So if I say so we can clearly say that this is the set allow access, HTTPS, SSH and FGFM access. So let's say even in this video, in the starting of this video, I disable the ping access. If I enable it, then I just copy this command and I paste it. What I will do, I will just try to copy it and paste it, and I will add the ping. Let me copy and then paste, and I will type ping, enter. If I do it, it will save. So now if I go the interface and edit port 1 and definitely I will get that ping response. So ping allow access has been added on the interface level. So this kind of features is needed on the in the production environment, let's say, to enable it based on the requirements. So we can enable it by CLI and via also graphical user interface as well. So that is for this video, and we'll connect on the next video soon. So for now, if you like this video, please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe the Firewall Experts for this kind of videos. Thanks for watching.